Hey guys, it's me, your boy Narek. Now I'm saying that way. That's so funny. So, today I was feeling, to be honest, a little blue. And something inside me says like, let's do some art. And I just prepare my canvas, my everything. And when I was choosing my colors, I was like, wow. In my mind says, go full in. Go neon colors. So I found the most close neon colors. So I have here green, I have blue, I have pink, I have yellow, I have silver, and I have white. I have this white. They are more liquid and I have a bit different white to make sure that I will put borders. And also today is another experiment day. I'm trying first time with this, like I bought it from bakery shop for like when you cook bake a cookies, you can do like shapes. So I bought these shaped things, as you can see. And also I'm trying first time this premium silicone oil Montmartre. I think a lot of artists use this silicone oil. Yeah, as usual, wooden sticks, plastic cups, and oops, and a torch. Yes, so let's start. Before starting, I just want to give myself a message. Maybe you won't have another message for you. Just I won't give myself a short message to not being depressed or not being blue. Okay. Okay, that's my message. And because of, if you watch my last video, guys, I mess up everything. So now I'm going to remove my canvas from here. Yeah, and then I'm going to pour my colors. Oh. To be honest, this is one of my favorite blues. It looks so good. So guys, how are you? Tell me, how was your day? What do you feel? I found really, to be honest, February, March the hardest month for me. It's so much personal growth mentally. Oh, it's so hard to open. Yeah, and I just start. Wow, this pink is amazing. I just start my small business as an artist in Bangkok. Yeah, and it's a bit going hard, and I have so many nice ideas to share with you. But sometimes life is. Oopsie! What's happened with my light? Hold on, I will try to fix my light. Okay guys, I hope you see everything. Yeah. Okay. But what I'm saying, life is recently has been a bit harsh on me, and I cannot find, to be honest, an inspiration. I have so many nice ideas that I want to share, but to be honest, it's hard. Okay, I think I'm pouring too much paint, to be honest. I can see that the paint is an extra paint. Okay. And also I wanted to ask you guys, are you okay if I speed up the video, because I think a lot of people don't have time to watch and listen what I'm talking, and because fluid art is all about how I do, so I cannot explain, and also my level of English is not that great to explain what I'm doing in correct way. So what do you think, what's your thoughts if I speed up my video? It's so interesting me talking with myself. Yeah, this everything is so new for me. Today I'm going to be a bit more careful to don't mix everything. Yeah. This picture will be great. Okay, so let's remove our paint from here. Hi. Okay, and we don't need this anymore. With this, we only need this. We don't need this. So guys, what do you think? Shall I go with this one? Or I go with this one, or I go both. I never tried, it's my first time. It's like Narek is being explorers. Shall I go this one probably, yeah? The smaller one, and to see how picture it will be. Yeah, let's go. Okay, wish me good luck and let's start. I just will go a bit white. And you see, it's so interesting because the colors that I choose, it's really a dangerous one. It's so interesting to see the result already, guys. I'm so excited. This is my first time trying this technique. And of course I'm going to fuck here up a lot of things, but oh my god, already it's going out. I cannot, this is an extra good, wow. OMG guys, I hope you see how beautiful it is. I hope that this is like so amazing. To be honest, now I don't feel blue anymore. It's like to create this kind of beautiful art, and also this is my first time experimenting this way. Look at So guys, this is the result. I'm super happy with this work, and now I will take my phone, I will wash my hands, I will take my phone, I will show you a close-up how amazing it looked like. This made my day. Such a beautiful colors, they merge really well. I'm thinking to do a swap. I can see the lines to do a swap, but because of now I'm really scared to spoil it. Maybe I'll bring it back. I kind of want this. Okay. Yeah, this is better. I want it to pink, just drop there. Look how I made. Oh, guys, look at this. yeah, definitely this is my favorite work. Okay, I will wash my hands and I will show you a close-up. Guys, look how amazing these colors. Look at the shades. Look at the pink. Look at the yellow. I'm just mesmerized how amazing it looks like.